not sure if this cabin filter has ever been changed, because it's got the GM logo on it. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Nice and full. Going to be replacing this. Just made a little shelf. May not look the nicest, but no, that's a Sigma. That's a freaking perfect fit. So, Peugeot 3008, 1.2 petrol, has a misfire on cylinder 2. Change the coils around, still cylinder 2, meaning it will be spark plugs. And this one, this spark plug is from number 2. Looks alright until you put it upside down. Yep, that would be the reason why it's misfiring. Here's one that's good. Oh. 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 There's a little knock coming from my suspension. Oh. 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 Could someone tell me, at Vauxhall, whose idea was this? Put the oil filter right there. Why can't you just put it somewhere easier? But it makes less of a mess. So here's the situation. Customer has been quoted a complete new turbo replacement because we were having an exhaust leak, as you can see. Quite a bit of soot. Guess what? Took the exhaust off and one of the bolts was missing, and also the gasket wasn't in place. There wasn't even a gasket behind there. So I went ahead, got a new gasket and a new board, and there should be the fraction of the cost.